Hey guys, welcome to another video on Annabelle's channel. My name's Will, I'm Annabelle's husband, and today we're doing a yes day video. I thought, I had this idea, we're doing a yes day for Annabelle. Anything she wants to do, I say yes to for the whole day. So, here is a clip of me telling Annabelle about the yes day. You've asked to do this before. We're doing what they call a yes day.
Oh. Wait, really?
Absolutely, yeah. So from morning till evening, yes day. Anything you want goes. So as you can see, she's excited, and this is how the day went. Stay tuned. Okay, Annabelle, it's the start of your yes day.
Yes.
A yes day?
What is a yes day?
Is when we say yes to whatever you want to do.
You say yes to
I say yes.
To all of my plans. Also, Christmas tree's still up. It is December 28th, and it is my official
like
yes day all day. So we're beginning.
No, I thought it was just half the day.
No, for like the next 24 hours, because actually it ends tomorrow morning.
24 hours?
Remember, it ends tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah.
Because we're doing, okay, so basically I was going to take him to a Pilates class, but the one that I want to go to with the instructor I love, she has a class tomorrow. So we're ending it by going to Pilates Reformer tomorrow, which you already know about that, something you're saying yes to.
Happy days.
So good, you're going to come to Pilates with me.
Yes.
Yes, but because we're not doing that right now, we're going to get ready, I'm going to shower, like, I need to wash off my tan and stuff, and then we are going to, you know, go get coffee, go on a cute coffee date.
Yes.
And then that is all I'll tell you for now.
Really? Is that it?
Yeah, cute coffee date.
What, so we just can do like a day of coffee dates?
No. I said we're going on a coffee date, so stay tuned for the rest of the plan, Will.
Alright.
You just, what do they say? Fly by the seat of your pants, or like whatever they say.
That's me.
Alright, ready for the coffee date. Just dressing super chill. Wearing my little leg warmers as we do. It is like a kind of gray day in California. It was raining all night and all afternoon. Will's just getting his final fit.
Get my shoes on.
The beginning of yes day.
Yes!
Coffee time! Look at all the pretty palm trees too. Alright, I got my delicious mint mocha.
I've got my little
iced tea.
my hibiscus fruit tea.
Yay.
Fruit zest, I think.
Have you tried it yet?
Yeah, it's great. Cheers.
Okay, let me try mine. Cheers. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's delicious.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good. It's just such good quality coffee.
Is this a good start to the yes day?
Yes, this is a good start.
Yes, it is.
Ah, this is my heaven. Slay. And with his hibiscus tea.
Hibiscus fruit zest.
Hibiscus fruit zest. Oh.
Iced.
Okay, the next thing.
Yeah.
Can we please go shopping and spend money at like Sephora, Target, go thrifting?
Absolutely, we can.
You can?
Let's do it.
You're saying yes?
100% yes.
Okay, let's go. We are going shopping. So first stop is Sephora. There she is.
25% off entire first purchase. That's how they suckered you, isn't it?
I didn't actually get anything from Sephora. I just like shopping and looking around. So now we're going to my favorite thrift store. So
this would be dangerous.
Go. Cutest little thrift store to ever exist.
Secured the bag.
Today, the bags. I got
how many bags?
2 little sets of diamond earrings.
Cute.
Sometimes, you know, you go ham in there and get 30 things, and sometimes you just get diamond earrings, but I can't complain. So.
Can't complain. Let's go.
To Target.
Hey, oh wait, where to next?
I think we're gonna needing to go to Target. Does that sound good?
Yes, that sounds great.
I think we might need to get a snack though. Get something to eat first. I don't know what yet though, but does that sound good?
Yes, that sounds great.
We'll see what we see.
We'll see what we see.
I think French fries might be on the menu.
French fries? Oh yes, my darling, of course.
McDonald's drive-through. Just had to be done.
Had to be done.
I don't know what I'm gonna get though.
Yeah, I bet you have no idea.
I don't!
I'm sorry, what was that?
Which sauces do you have?
Barbecue, sweet and sour, has mustard, honey mustard, ranch, buffalo.
Oh, wow. I'll do ranch, please.
Ranch?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. The screen just said to us.
Great order. Ranch? Have some ranch. Come on, come on. Diet Coke.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let's pull over. Let's pull over to eat. Yes.
Yes. On the screen.
All right, so I got a 1/4 pounder with cheese. Yum. French fries.
And I got nugs.
Will's over there. And a Diet Coke. Huh?
Quite hot.
Oh yeah.
I think I might need a bite of that. I'll trade you for a nug.
Isn't that good?
Okay.
We love these little car trash cans we have to gather all of our receipts and everything in it. So we're gonna empty it into our McDonald's bag and throw it. Oh my gosh, it's overflowing. And and empty it and throw it away. There's so many receipts.
Flipping it. I hope we're gonna recycle these. There we go.
Is that it? Empty. We love her. Linked on my Amazon. My homeland.
Your
It's
homeland?
from porn, actually.
That's right, baby. Let's
Target.
go.
The fun thing about Target is that I truly have nothing that I need. You just go in for vibes and experiences. You know what I mean? Will just says, really?
Secure the frying pan.
That's so cute.
That's it.
Just beautiful.
Nice mug. I think we've been in here for about 3 hours. 3 long hours.
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling like I want to go to Walmart as well. Do you think we could do that?
Yes.
More shopping.
Yay! Walmart. Boom.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Okay, can we now go home,
Yes.
lay in bed,
Yes.
and watch Emily in Paris?
Yes.
Does that sound good?
Yes.
Are you excited to go home?
Yes.
You can say other things besides yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Country music, his favorite. In case you didn't know, crazy about you. We interrupt the yes day because I got all of these sunglasses from Amazon, so I wanted to show you them. Some of these will not be people's style, but these are just so fun. These are like, I was saying, straight out of like Star Wars, but I love them. And then I also got this pair. It's just more round and I love it. Again, depending on your outfit, these can just kind of like dress your look up. And then these last 3 are like the Hailey Bieber kind of style. She just basically always wore sunglasses that were this shape. So that's what they're called, I believe, on Amazon. These are in blue, and then I have the exact same ones in black. I linked all of these under clothing and accessories. I know there's quite a few of them, but it's kind of fun to show you. And I love my sunglasses and always end up losing them. And this last pair has this cute little detailing on the side and are a bit smaller. Anyways, just got all of these in the mail. And then from the same like online shop from Amazon, I got these. So I'm actually gonna keep all my sunglasses in the one that says stuff, and then I got this one that says hair because you guys know I'm doing, you know, all the hair things all the time, and I always need like extra travel bags. So I just wanted to show you because I thought they were so cute. Again, linked under my clothing and accessories tab on my storefront. And then I also came home to this like little PR box. This is Living Proof dry shampoo. The silver one cleans hair and scalp, softness and shine, and then the darker gray one, it says clean roots and but adds texture and body. So that's great. I love Living Proof. Heard so many good things about the dry shampoo, so really excited to try. Literally, I'm just so blessed, so blessed. Will you fill up my water?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Hold that. Hold that.
I will.
Yes.
Want to come be in it? The Christmas tree in the background, it's cute. We've been watching Emily in Paris, and
as requested.
And do you think tonight we could get dressed fancy and go to this wine bar, cool vibe place that we've never been to before?
Yes, I think we could.
Do you think that would be fun?
I think that'd be very fun.
And do you think you can make us a drink while I get ready?
Yeah, I absolutely can.
Because I need to go wash his hair badly.
You need to wash his hair, get ready.
You think that sounds good?
I think that sounds great.
All right, let's go get ready. All right, you guys, we have gotten ready. it almost looked like I didn't have a ton of hair in, which I do. So I want to walk you through my little outfit and hair. These are my Bellamy clip-ins, Spice Crimson color. You guys know I love this hair if you've been watching me. And the drink of choice to get ready has been just La Marca Prosecco. Cheers to that, it's delicious. And I did a very basic makeup routine, just honestly the same thing that I always do. Nothing too crazy, but let me know if you want like an updated makeup routine, because I could totally make a whole YouTube video dedicated to that. But the outfit is this top, which is from Amazon. Let me show you the back. This top is just super cute, nice and backless, just a little black top. I'm literally wearing a black skirt with it. Don't even know where I got this. This is like, I'm pretty sure a swim skirt. So it's actually meant for the beach and pool, but whatever. And then these are the shoes. I got these little loafers on from H&M, and then I've actually got these like thigh tights, which I got from Target today on our little trip, so I can show you the full look, although it's probably a little bit dark. You can kind of just get the idea. So super cute, feminine. Will's laughing at me. Will looks super cute as well.
Super cute and feminine.
Super cute, yeah. His little jacket, you guys probably seen this in the vlogs, his fancy pants, shoes that he loves. And yeah, that's pretty much ready to go, but I'm also gonna like throw on a blazer, which I need to lint roll. And also this is gonna be my purse, which I got from Primark. If you're in the UK watching, I literally love all things Primark. It's this little sparkly bag. And then I'm also wearing the earrings I got today from the thrift store. So these are the pair I got, but then I put one of the smaller ones, so I got 2 pairs just in my cartilage. So I need to lint roll my blazer now, but that is my OOTD. By the way, I'm wearing, if you're wondering, Kylie Lip Kit in Posy K on my lips. My best friend Hannah got it for me for Christmas, and it's the only lipstick I want to wear. So that is the current situation. Let me lint roll my jacket, and then we'll touch base again. Cheers.
Yesterday.
That's
oh
nice.
yeah, that is quite nice.
I haven't had a rosé in so long. That's delish.
Oh yeah.
That looks so good. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, a gluten-free like cookie.
A gluten-free oven-baked cookie. Cheers.
Ooh, it is warm. But is it too hot? That's so dumb. We're back home, and I wanted to ask you, how is it doing everything that I love today?
Great day. Yeah, lots of fun. Coffee, eating out.
And in case anyone is wondering whose idea was today.
My idea.
It was entirely yours.
Fully my idea.
Before anyone acts like it was otherwise, Will just randomly wanted to do this. So this was so fun. I had the best day ever. We did lots of fun things, lots of Annabelle inspired things, and we are home now in our pajamas, just chilling. It's late. We were gonna go to Pilates tomorrow, and that was how we were gonna end it. I said this in the vlog, but I don't know that we're gonna make it to Pilates together tomorrow. Hopefully soon.
What a shame.
Because Will hasn't gone into the class. There's like a waiting list. Oh my gosh, the whole thing. So
it's in demand.
Yeah, so that's unfortunately the situation. Will come with me at some point, but I had the best yes day, and yeah, we're gonna go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next vlog, video, whatever we do next. Love you. Are you about to?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Bye.